I've just finished the most amazing week in the inspired company of George Kinder and 6 new trainee life planners at Gaunt's house in Dorset. George and Louie's insights were uplifting and inspirational as always, but just as exciting was the enthusiasm of the 6 new trainee life planners. I managed to catch 4 of them and ask them to say a few words about their experience of the week. The first is Tracey Evans from Ashley Law in Crawley. She's followed by Rajesh Modha of Finance Lab in Leicester. Next comes Simone Gnessen of Wise Monkey Financial Coaching, and the session is rounded off by Nigel Barker-Smith from NBS Financial Planning of Leeds.
I've had a fantastic week this week. What I've learned is a lot about myself, and more importantly what I've learned is that life planning is not something that you can just learn simply by reading the pages of a book, and you really need to come here and experience it firsthand. And George Kinder is inspirational, and without people like him this world would not be such a good place.
Hi, I'm Rajesh Modha from Finance Lab Limited, and I've just enjoyed the most fantastic week of my professional career, to be honest. I've learned how to listen, I've learned how to understand, and learned how to speak to my clients in the future in a way that I don't think I was able to do before. You get a feeling for this when you read the book, but it's nothing in comparison to actually seeing the professionals such as George and Louis and Alan who kindly brought us through this journey of the last week. All I can really say to you is have a think about it and really give this course a go, because you'll only become a much more accomplished financial planner and help your clients reach whatever goals and ambitions that they want.
I've had a brilliant week. It's been fantastic and a real privilege to be working with people like George and Louis. Just watching their coaching skills, there's so much to learn, and the depth and mastery of the techniques they use just shows how much you can get out of all this. But it's been incredible for me also just being part of a community, because I work in isolation, and just feeling like coming along on this training, I feel already like I'm part of a community of like-minded people that are really kind of following this mission and getting out there and helping people live the life of their dreams without money being a worry, and that's always been a subject close to my heart. So one of the biggest things, as well as learning the tools and feeling the confidence of taking people on this journey, it is also just being part of that community and knowing that collectively we can do something fantastic.
Hi, my name's Nigel Barker-Smith, Managing Director of MBS Financial Planning in Moran near Leeds. I just wanted to share my experiences of this week, which have been truly memorable. I came with a very, very clear vision that I would learn and enhance my questioning techniques, which were already making wonderful and profound results, but I've just gone to a whole different level. And what I've learned more than anything, it's not the questioning techniques that are important, it's the listening skills. And George and his team are just masterful at doing that, and it's an incredible experience, not just that I'll hopefully be able to present to my clients, but for myself as well. I've learned a lot about myself as far as how I can better handle client situations, etc. And you can't fail to be inspired by the people that you're here with. George, of course, and the profound statements from his assistant Louis. It's a memorable experience, and I would recommend it wholeheartedly to any single financial planner that means well to their clients. Thank you.